So this is the Rhino Rock, guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng ano niya. Parang yung shape niya is like a dinosaur, you know, the rhino dinosaur yan. And then at the back, yung makikita mo yung Stanley Prison. Ayan. And ganito yung view niya dito, guys.
Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again, and for today's video I'm going to Rhino Rock and I'm going to tour you in there, guys. So let's go, samahan nyo ko, guys. Ito yung sasakyan nyo, guys, papuntang Rhino Rock. You ride bus 14 from Saiwanho. Yan. And mag-stop ka all the way to the final stop, and then you can see this military camp. And in this area, may trail dito. Dito ka mag-start ng trail. The way, guys, going up. Yan. Ito yung start ng trail. Going to Rhino Rock. Ito yung way, guys. Medyo pataas siya. Yan. So, nakarating na tayo dito sa taas, guys. Ganito yung makikita nyo. Medyo madali na lang siyang lakarin, and you can see this type of plants here. Yan, yung parang malilit na kawayan. Ito yung way, guys, going to Rhino Rock. This easy na lang. Doon lang yung ano, yung mahirap, hiningal pa ako. So yun, continue lang, guys. So yun, guys, we're almost here at the first marker here in the going to Rhino Rock. Ayun. Ayun, ito yung makikita mo, guys, after you reach this marker. Ayan. And then we go here. You can see the ribbon. Ayun. Dito ka mag-start ng trail going to Rhino Rock, guys. You can see this ribbon. You follow this and we walk over here. Yan, ganda, guys. Ganito yung view na makikita mo dito. Ayan. Wala yung bata. Wow, yan. Kaso mahangin. Ayun. See. Spectacular view. So, ayan, guys. Nandito na kami. And then, ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan. Ayan yung view, guys. Tapos, ang lakas ng hangin talaga. So, let's go down. We have to look for the Rhino Rock. This is the way, guys, when you're going to Rhino Rock. You expect this, that you can use this rope going down kasi nga medyo madulas yung lupa, and then malakas pa yung hangin. So lucky they put this rope in this area. So it's safe also, hindi naman siya yung risky, pero ano siya, yung parang thrilling siyang bumaba kasi nga first time kong mag-hike using this rope going down. And thank you to my friend Lerma. She is the one who taking video for me just to show you how you expect when you go to hike in this Rhino Rock, that there's a area that you can use a rope going down. Ayan, guys. So yun, lapit na. Ayan, ito yung way, guys. Medyo narrow yung ano, yung daan. Ayan. Ayan, guys, ito yung dadaanan mo. Mga mabato siya. So, ingat-ingat. Ayan. And, so, masikip yung daan, guys. Ayan. Ito. It's the way. Going there. So, Rhino Rock. Yun. And, after this, wow, this is the view. Yan. Ito yung view, guys, na makikita mo. After you reach here. May mga tao na ata doon, sis. Oo, yun. So, this other side there. Ayun yung military. So, yan. That is my friend, Lerma. Hi. Jump up. Wah! Yan. So, ganito po siya yung daan. Medyo mahirap siya. As in, mabato siya, guys. Ayan. Ang lalaki ng formation ng rock. Sa baba pa yun, sis. Ayan. Pero maganda siya, guys. So yun guys, malapit na tayo sa may Rhino Rock. And then did you know guys, Rhino Rock is a easy hike because it takes you only 30 minutes from the start until you reach the Rhino Rock. Maybe like 1 hour including the photo, yung exam photo. Yun, is a easy hike and it's good for beginner guys. This Rhino Rock is good for beginner. So, ayan, ito yung view, guys. Ayan, ito yung view. That is the pretty and coolest formation of rock here, guys. Diyan tayo galing. And sa area naman na dun, iyon yung military camp. So, baba pa tayo, guys. Hanapin natin si Rhino. And almost here na. Ito yung magandang view, guys, dito na makikita mo. So, ayan, dito na tayo sa may Rhino. And that is the beautiful view here guys that you can see when you go here in Rhino Rock. Too bad that a little cloudy today. Yan. So ayan guys, andito na ako sa my Rhino Rock. That is the Rhino Rock. Finally nakita ko na ulit siya. So yun, ang ganda ng formation niya guys, as in one of the coolest formation rock here in Hong Kong. This Rhino Rock is located in the Stanley, and just walk from the Stanley military camp. You can see this Rhino Rock. Welcome to Rhino Rock or Chipauting in Cantonese, and it's located in the southern tip of Stanley Peninsula on the southern district of Hong Kong. And getting to Rhino Rock is easy as the trailhead is conveniently connected to the city by bus. And it's one of the famous and coolest formation of rock here in Hong Kong, guys.
Wow.
In that area, you can see that is the Stanley Prison, guys, over there. Ayan, ganito yung view niya guys na makikita mo. Mahangin talaga siya dito sa area na to. That is what you expected when you go here in Rhino Rock. That when you reach in this area is so windy. Ayun guys. Ayun yung military camp again. And yan yung view na makikita mo dito. And did you know guys that Rhino Rock is one of the most unique rock formation in Stanley, Hong Kong, and it's famous as it bears an uncanny resemblance to a rhinoceros, you know, the dinosaur that they called rhinoceros. And that area naman guys, as you can see, is the Stanley Prison, and the hike to Rhino Rock is only less than 1 kilometer each way with a great views of the Stanley Coast, and it's only take you 30 minutes hike and great for beginner this hike. Eto guys, kung gusto mo umakyat, eto yung gagawin, yung dito ka dadaan. If you want to climb up here, ayan, dito sa area na to, ito yung puno, ayan. Akyat ka dyan hanggang doon sa taas. Kaso, di na tayo aakyat. And then dito, ito yung back ng Rhino Rock guys. Yan, ito yung back. Yan. Ito. Ayan, ayan. That is the the Stanley Prison, and you can see the beautiful view of the ocean here. And ito yung baba ng Rhino Rock. Ayun. Ito.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반.
Ayan, galing niya guys, oh, yun. Pero hindi ko kayang gawin yan kasi takot ako. Kaya yun, galing niya. Usa siyang pag sa may nose ng right. Ayan. So, yun guys. Tapos na ako doon sa may Rhino Rock. So, balik na ulit ako. And, lakad ka ulit dito sa may sa may area na dinaanan namin. Yan. Pero mas madali na yung pabalik kaysa kanina yung pababa. Ayan. So, this hike guys is so easy kasi it takes you only 30 minutes from the start until you reach the Rhino Rock, and become 1 hour if you if you want to take some picture yun. Pero yung bago marating nyo yung Rhino Rock, 30 minutes lang siya guys. Ayan guys, so pabalik na ako yun. Dito rin ulit kami dadaan sa dinaanan papunta sa Rhino Rock. Yan. Masikip. So yun guys, I'm going up again and I'm using this rope to going up, and I find out that it's more easier going up than going down. See, and thank you to my friend who take me video. So yun guys, tapos na ako nag-hike doon sa may Rhino Rock. So yan, pababa na ako. Madali lang siya dito sa may area na to. Madali na lang siyang lakarin niya. Tapos na yung mahirap na area na lugar na lakarin. So yun guys, that is the end of my video here at the Rhino Rock, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys.